Hello, my name is Milind Baviskar, and today's video topic is recursion in Java. So basically, let's understand what is recursion. The process in which a function calls itself directly or indirectly is called recursion, and the corresponding function is called a recursive function. Using a recursive algorithm, certain problems can be solved quite easily. So let's see the example. Examples of such problems are towers of Hanoi, TOH, in order, pre-order, post-order, tree traversals, a DFS of a graph, etc. So what is base condition in recursion? So in the recursion program, the solution to the base case is provided, and the solution of the bigger problem is expressed in a terms of smaller problems. So let's take a variable in fact and assign the value int n. So next we use a if else loop. So n is a less than or equal to 1. It's a base case, and we return a value 1. Otherwise we return a n into factor n minus 1. So in the above example, base case for n is less than or equal to 1 is defined, and larger value of a number can be solved by converting to smaller one till base case is reached. How a particular problem is solved using recursion? The idea is to present a problem in terms of one or more smaller problems and add one or more base conditions that stop the recursion. For example, we compute factorial n. If we know factorial of n minus 1, then the base condition is for factorial would be n equals to 0. So we return a 1. When n equals to 0, why stack overflow error occurs in recursion? So if the base case is not reached or not defined, then the stack overflow problem may arise. So let's take an example to understand this. If fact 10 is called, it will call fact 9, and fact 8, fact 7, and so on, but the number will reach 100. So the base case is not reached if the memory is exhausted by these functions on the stack. So it will cause a stack overflow error. So what is the difference between direct and indirect recursion? A function fun is called direct recursive if it calls the same function fun. A function is called indirect recursive if it calls another function new, and function new calls a fun directly and indirectly. Thank you.